What's up guys, good morning. We have build number 3 coming right up. It's about to get delivered right now and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And yeah, side note, this is a birthday present to myself, so let's see it. Oh, the car is here, the mover's here. Can't really show you guys the car yet. I can show you the bottom, the rims, maybe the color, but that's it. That's all you guys get to see till we reveal it. So the car is over here, but we can't see it. This is our homie Ruben. He does all my transport. I'm gonna link all his information for you guys. So if you guys do wanna get any transportation done, hit him up. All right, so we got the car delivered, but this is Ruben, who I was talking about. If you guys need, what's up, Art? You wanna say what's up, dude? Man? Hey, I appreciate you guys dropping off the car for me. The channel hasn't seen it yet. You guys are gonna see it shortly, but if you guys need any transportation anywhere in the United States, right? Or all around here, yeah, pretty much anywhere you guys want. I'm gonna link his number right here in the video. Hit him up, tell him Trigga sent you. He's gonna give you guys a good deal. Look at him, he got a full truck right here. Yours delivered. Go right here. Yeah, mine was right here. You guys just saw the paint. I showed him a little bit, you know, just tease him, but I'll do the montage later today and drop this for you guys. But hey, thanks again, Ruben. Thank you, Art. Hey, you guys are the man. Thanks for coming. And yeah, hit them up, guys. So guys, here's the logo too of the company. So if you guys want to hit them up, they do great work. Like I said, look at this big rig in front of the house. So fucking cool. Yo, so this is their business card, but here's the information, guys. If you want to hit up Ruben, check that out. Phone number's right there, their email. These guys do some good work. Thank you again, Ruben. All right, guys, well, it's time to show you guys the new car. You guys ready? All right, let's do it. So like I was saying, this was a good homie of mine, Nate. It was his car, and he actually lives in Arizona, so he ended up wanting to sell this car and didn't really need it anymore. I guess he has a Supra now that he wants to build, so that's better for him, and he wanted to put his money into that. Sorry, I'm getting used to this gimbal that I got for my birthday, but this is the new build, guys. Build number 3. Hopefully you guys like it. We have a lot going for it. We're gonna be doing a lot of things to the car, including a full engine swap. My plan is to, should I tell you guys the plan? All I can say is we're gonna make some big power. So yup, this is it. This is the car. You guys already saw it had no interior. So we're gonna go ahead and open the door. So yeah, just like you guys saw earlier, no interior, nothing. It has the dash, no steering wheel, no door panels, no center console, no rear seats, nothing. Full empty ready for Trigga to do whatever he wants to it. Luckily the car comes with a drive shaft. It comes with brakes, the suspension, the diff. Obviously we're missing the, come on, where is it? Oh. Missing the engine and everything inside the engine bay, which is not an issue because we got something huge planned. But yeah, this car has no damage, no accidents, nothing, no frame damage, nothing. Obviously the last person who had it before Nate decided to go with this ugly baby blue. I'm not going to be keeping this, I'm going to be redoing that. But yeah guys, be expecting this car to fully change dramatically. It's going to look crazy, and we're gonna get you some of the reactions from other people soon. Okay guys, this is my dad. He's never seen this piece of shit car that I bought, so this is gonna be his first time seeing it. Let's get your reaction, man. You want to see my new car?
Yeah, sure. Wow.
Oh. You like it? Oh.
Yeah,
oh my god. He says a piece of shit. Did you see the interior, man? Look at that interior. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
It's so nice, huh? Wow, yeah, you can sit in it. Oh yes. So you approve of this piece of shit. Do you think we're gonna make it into something nice?
Absolutely.
Yes, very nice.
Do it.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah,
the trunk
nice.
doesn't work, I'm sorry. You gotta look at the engine, man. The engine is the biggest, beautifulest part. You ready for that big Japanese motor? Oh!
Jet.
Yeah. So this is it, guys. Well, I hope you like your new
Yeah,
car.
absolutely. I can fly with that.
Yeah. All right. So now that you guys saw my dad's reaction to the car, my mom didn't want to hop on the camera. We're gonna wait for Melina to get here. She's never seen this car. She's only seen some pictures. So her reaction is gonna be priceless. All right, I know some of you guys might be new to the channel or wondering what is this. So this is my Toyota Corolla 1997, aka Ferrari. This is the daily mobile. And then we also got my Nissan 370Z Drift car. This was my last build, guys. It's still not finished, but has a lot to come. So you guys can expect something to the same caliber of this build for the 240 S14. Ooh, check out them dual calipers though. Whew. Hot boy and yep, full Amuse kitted 370Z. Used to have the ARC exhaust system, but had to get deleted because of the state rev. But don't worry guys, we have something really cool coming up. Full wide body with carbon crown crafting kit. A lot of the stuff on this car is custom spec, built by me. Doing everything, all our oil cooler kits, everything, the hood. But yeah, full on race car, guys. So be expecting the same kind of vibes that you got from this car onto this piece of shit that you guys see right now. But this car isn't gonna stay a piece of shit for that long. I already got some cool stuff for it that we're gonna be doing. Okay, well, you ready to see the new car?
Yeah.
Everyone who doesn't know, this is Melina, my beautiful girlfriend. Okay, let's go. You just have to open the door.
This way?
Yeah, just pull it out.
Does it open?
Yeah.
Oh my god! How are you gonna fix that?
Fix what? This looks perfect.
Oh my god! This is way more work than I thought for me. There's nothing in here. It kind of looks like the.
So there's some of the interior at least.
No, they give you the scrap. Like, oh, it works.
Oh, the doggy
Does it turn on?
Yeah, you should check out the engine. The engine is perfect.
Look, they're already ready to get it.
Yeah, too bad we can't go.
Is it,
we can't go anywhere.
Baby, is it that?
I don't know. You didn't look for it. You gotta go through the driver door, just like a normal car.
It gets even worse. Vinci, get out of here.
And pop open the hood. Yeah, you see the shifter? It's a manual.
How does this work?
It worked. It's good.
There's no shifter.
Yeah. It's auto drive. Just come look
It's
at it.
auto?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's why there's no shifter. It's auto drive.
Then why'd you buy it?
I don't know. Just so I can have 2 manual swaps. Just look at the engine. You gotta unhook the hook. The engine is the best part.
Oh my god. Why did you buy this?
I wanna put the hook on. This way, this way.
Oh. Here?
Yep.
Or which one?
Oh yeah, that one.
Oh.
What's wrong with this car?
Oh my god.
It's beautiful, baby. Just like you.
You can't fix this.
Yeah, I can. I can fix anything. I know I'm not a mechanic,
I don't even know where you
Or-
would start.
or people think I've never done these, so I'm not gonna do
You know
it.
what you
But-
should do? You should be
All right, guys, check out this new motor I got. Wow, the car came with a beautiful girl.
Oh
So
my
why don't you
God.
think I can do this? What
It's
is
missing
wrong
a
with you?
thing.
Yeah, it's missing everything. Look, the suspension is held on by 1 bolt, as you guys can see
Did you
right
know
there.
it was gonna look like this?
Yeah, mi amor, I saw pictures of it before I bought it.
I saw pictures too, but it didn't look like this.
Yeah, because I didn't show you those. But I think you approve, you like it. Of course, this is going to be one heck of a challenge for the channel.
Everyone in the comments, tell him to fix the cars he already has.
Oh, there goes the roasting. Well, thank you. So now I have 2 manual swaps I got to do. Isn't that awesome? I haven't even done one and I started another.
I thought it was like right hand drive. Is that what you say?
Yeah, but this is left. Unfortunately, it's not right. But
Baby, why did you buy this?
because it's a beautiful Zenki S14. This car is super rare. You can't find this car right now with all the original body panels that it currently has. I know it has Bondo work and a different color engine
Oh my
bay.
god, that's gonna be so expensive to.
No. So, oh yeah, I haven't told everybody how much I bought this car for. Probably should say Melina doesn't know
He
either.
paid way too much.
No, I paid $1,500 for this car. Comment in the section. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think and if this is worth $1,500
I
in
think
your
like
opinion.
500.
Don't listen to Melina, she
Baby,
doesn't know.
Baby.
But God,
your other
who
car,
was $1,000?
he bought it and it works, and he paid less than this.
Yeah, but this is a classic Japanese car. That's a, I guess that
Oh
one
my
is too.
god.
Yeah, well anyways guys, let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like this build. It's gonna be awesome. I know Melina doesn't know anything about it, so she hates on it. But if you're a classic Japanese fanboy like me, this is one of the, I would say, top 5 in my list. I actually really like this car because when I was younger, so yeah, like I was saying, when I was younger, there used to be a guy in my apartments who had this Dove Canyon Apartments down in Forest Ranch. That's where I grew up in. He had one of these. It was like a metallic gold. I always wanted it. I loved the car and how it looked. I just could never afford it when I was that young. Especially growing up in those apartments, I never imagined even being able to own something like this. I never even imagined being able to own the Z, guys. So for me to now have another Nissan and be able to build it, even though Melina talks shit about it, it's gonna be awesome, and I'm excited to take you guys on this journey with me. I'm not gonna tell you guys about the engine, but all I can say is this car is gonna move, and it's gonna be something iconic, just like the Z. And who knows? Maybe one of you guys later will be able to buy it, win it. Who knows? The future is full of options. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I made you guys wait a little extra. It was just I wanted to make sure everything was here. Louis, you smelling the new car?
You're gonna go on a ride in it soon. When it's all nice and done, we're gonna go for a little ride. And you're gonna love it so much.
And Melina's not gonna come with us because she talks so much shit on the car.
Okay, bye everybody.
Okay, Lulu, you wanna say bye?
Bye bye.
Oh wow.
Bye. Look at this guy, Benji.